Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to flip a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture, press on crop down below, and now you can just press on rotate. And you can flip horizontal and flip vertical that picture, depending how you want it to. And after that you can just simply leave and you can just press on save in order to save this picture. In my case I'm not gonna save it. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.